Hey, it's Laura Lachey. What do you say? Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Now, you may not know, but I am not only the mom for some muggles.
Dad loves muggles. I think they're fascinating.
I am also the mom to a couple of cute, precious fur babies.
Puppy's here.
We have two pups. Both were quarantine babies, and my babies needed some new toys. So today we are going to do an unboxing and reviewing of Amazon's top 5 best-selling dog toys. Stick around. This is Leah Simone. We call her Leah, Lily, Leela-boo. She is around 9 pounds and almost 2 years old. She's 1 year, 10 months. Benjamin Wade. He is 8 months old and he weighs about 16 pounds and he's very, very active. So we need something to help this brother out. All of these Amazon best-selling dog toys were under $15. So they were the top 5 and they all were $15 or less. The first is the Dog Twister Unlock, Slide, and Treat. This is kind of like a puzzle toy that's supposed to keep them more engaged and stimulated throughout the day. So we shall see. We definitely need this for our Benjamin. Ben needs this big time because he's into everything. Here you see me loading up the Dog Twister with a mixture of their food and some treats. Initially, of course, they loved the open container with all of the food, but grew
Think they'll get it eventually.
bored with it when they had to figure out how to get the rest. Eventually, Benjamin revisited and he was able to successfully take out all of the treats. So I'd say this product was a win.
Gimme.
Secondly is a bunch of different types of toys in here. There's a cow, a couple of ropes. They're supposed to be good for their teeth. And some stuffies, which Ben usually shreds these things to pieces quick. Both Benjamin and Leah enjoyed this bag of goodies, but it never fails. They always find that one thing to then begin to fight over. This little chicken bone would be the source of contention for many days to come. But I will say, Benjamin has not shredded up either of the little stuffies. So, once again, another win.
It's nothing major.
We have some good old-fashioned squeaking balls. Can you ever go wrong with a bag of squeaky balls? Like, seriously, always a win. Stuffing-free, fun skin toy dolls. Dog toys will make you jump. Benjamin and Leah both love these stuffless dog toys. They fought over them. Leah tried to hide them. They just love these toys. These were a huge win.
But it's still a tug of war I have no wish to be part of.
Then the hide a squirrels. So on the inside are a bunch of squirrels and they're supposed to work and dig them out. So the hide a squirrel wasn't really a big hit. Neither one of them really cared for it that much. They were just like, eh. They were actually more interested in going back to try to find those stuffless little things they had played with before. So, it was just okay. They actually enjoyed the little squirrels, just not so much digging them out of the nest.
Boring.
Now that was quite surprising. I did not think they would like the thinnest, lifeless, whatever the word is. The thing that seemed the most boring to me turned out to be their favorite thing. The 2-in-1 fun, skinless, stuffless, squeaky toy. That's what they loved the most, and it was only $8.99, and then that's the one they ended up loving the most. I cannot believe it. Out of all the cool stuff that they had, that's what they fought over. And of course, the pink one. They both loved the pink one. There you have it. Overall, I would say all of the toys are great. I think it's going to take them a minute to figure out the puzzles. If you need some new toys for your fur babies, be sure to check out the description box below. All of the links will be included for these toys. As always, thank you for joining me. Be sure to check out some of the other videos and don't forget, hit subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications. See ya!